Agriculture engineering is the area of engineering concerned with the design, construction, and improvement of farming and farm machinery by integrating technology. BE Agriculture Engineering Program is an Industry 4.0 course. Agri-tech solutions such as drones are going to play an immense role in improving crop efficiency and increasing produce for the farmer, thereby ensuring food security and reducing food wastage. Why choose agriculture engineering? Agriculture can be highly profitable if done the right way. Demand for agriculture engineers in India is rising by 27% every year. Huge scope for government jobs, R&D, agri companies and higher education. Why study agriculture engineering at JNN? 15 acres of farmland available for students. Students can have hands-on experience with farms and machinery. Industry student success mentors. Constant mentorship from experts in agriculture industry for knowledge sharing. MOUs with agriculture organizations industries. Initiatives for student development through webinars, guest lectures, and industrial visits. You will learn the following skills to excel in this domain. Design agricultural machinery. Design food processing plants. Test equipment research. Provide advice on managing resources. Critical thinking, problem solving. Career paths. Probationary officer. Agriculture engineer. Conservation expert. Agriculture field officer. Agribusiness consultant. Agriculture engineer can expect a starting salary of 3 to 5 lakhs per annum. JNN Institute of Engineering. Empowering young minds. Start your journey with us. For admission inquiries contact 9600057121, 988-428-2631. You can also apply online at jnn.edu.in.